Before servicing any engine-driven air compressor, make sure that the power is turned off to the compressor, the fuel is shut off, if the compressor is equipped with a battery, make sure to disconnect the power wire on the battery as well before beginning any service on an engine-driven air compressor. And that the compressor tank has been drained of all pressure. In this video, we'll show you how to remove the bullwhip throttle control off of a Kohler engine. You'll need a Phillips tip screwdriver to begin to loosen the bracket nuts. Next, we'll remove the control air line. Once the screws have been removed, you can then remove the bullwhip from the engine. To place in the new bullwhip, simply put it on the bracket, place back into the throttle, reconnect the air line, and you're done.